y'all, welcome back to another video. So I am here to show you guys how I got this look, so if you're interested then make sure you keep watching. So I'm primed with the same regular smuggler Too Faced Born This Way concealer, and this is to show you mocha. It is my skin tone, but I just like to use this because it melts right into my skin all the time and I don't have problems with pigmentation when I use this. And y'all, it's starting to rain, so if y'all hear the rain, I'm sorry. And then I'm gonna use my finger to pat it down to make sure it's all blended, because I've been having problems lately. Like, my eyelid have been trying to crease and they ain't never did that. I'm gonna take my Huda Beauty Ruby Obsessions palette, and I'm taking this burgundy shade right here. I'm gonna take my brush and lightly blend out the harsh lines. And if you go ahead and blend it out with the brush you used to put the color down, it makes it easier to blend out when you add the next color, if that makes sense. I'm gonna just grab the orange from the Glam Light paint palette. And I'm going to take a little bit of the yellow from the same palette and just tap it up here. So I'm about to cut my crease. And now I'm using Credit from the Jackie Aina palette to blend out this harsh line. And yeah, I'm also take some of that dark brown and angled brush and trace my crease, because I just noticed that for some reason I forgot to even add brown to this eye. It's not really that noticeable, but I did put some brown on this eye before I cut my crease, so. So for the extra eyelid, I took this neon green from the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. Yeah, so I'm adding some neon glitter on top. And of course, you already know I use Duo Lash Glue to put down my glitter. Bro, that whole team sucked. I was using the NYX retrackable liner. And then right underneath that, I'm taking Credit again from the Jackie Aina palette. And then I'm gonna add some more orange from the paint palette. Let me add some mascara. We are about to highlight our face. We are done with today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys did enjoy it, make sure you give me a thumbs up and make sure you are subscribed to my channel for more videos, and I'll see you guys in my next one.